In the mathematics topic, we have the chapter conic sections. Now the topic which I have left in the conic sections, which are not common in both applied mathematics and mathematics, is the ellipse. Today I am discussing this with you. This is for the PCM group. That is the ellipse. What is the ellipse? Actually, ellipse is a set of the points such that if you take any point P over it, then it distances from the two fixed points, that is the focus 1 and focus 2, their sum is constant. Here you are seeing a curve. You have taken a point P over it. You have taken the two focus here, F1 and F2, that is represented by C0 and minus C0. Their sum PF and PF dash, or you can say PF1 plus PF2 is a constant. That's the definition for the ellipse. Now this is the horizontal ellipse. We have the vertices on the x-axis as A0 and A minus A0. On the y-axis we have B, 0B, and on B dash we have B dash 0 minus B. So here the equation of ellipse, you can say horizontal ellipse, is given by x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus is equal to 1. X square plus a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. It must be noted that the value of a is always greater than b. A कहाँ lie कर रहा है? A lie कर रहा है यहाँ पर x axis के ऊपर. So length of the major axis is known as the AA dash. A dash is equal to 2a. Minor axis is known as the BB dash, that is equal to 2b. Then focus is given by plus minus C0, where it is foci because there are two focus. Plural form of focus is foci. Vertices plus minus A0 and B0 plus minus B. Now eccentricity, what is the eccentricity? Represented by small e, is the ratio of the coordinate of the focus and that of the vertex, that is C upon A, where the value of C is given by root A square minus B square. Length of latest rectum is 2B square upon A. In the same way, here is the vertical ellipse. Equation of ellipse is y square upon B square plus x square upon B square, y square upon A square plus x square upon B square is equal to 1, because here the major axis is lying on the y-axis. That's why we are writing here y square upon A square. Length of major axis same 2a, minor axis 2b. Focus here become on the y-axis, therefore it is represented by 0 plus minus e. Vertices become 0 plus minus a and plus minus b0. Eccentricity remains same, e c upon a, where c is root a square minus b square. Length of the latest rectangle remains same, that is 2b square upon a. Now if you see the example number 9 of your NCERT, given equation of ellipsis x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. On comparing with x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, because the bigger value is in the denominator of the x, it means it is the horizontal ellipse. बड़ी वैल्यू x के नीचे नजर आ रही है तो ये horizontal ellipse है. तो ये a square आ गया 25, that is a5, and b3, c becomes root a square minus b square, that is 4. Focus becomes plus minus 0, that is plus minus 40, which is plus minus a0, and 0 plus minus given by plus minus 50 and 0 plus minus 3. Length of major axis 2 into 5, 10. Length of minor axis 2 into 3, 6. Eccentricity c upon a, that is 4 upon 5. Length of latest rectum becomes 2b square upon a. Placing value becomes 18 upon 5. If you see the example number 10, given equation of ellipsis 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36, dividing both sides by 36, it becomes x square upon 4 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. Here the value 9 is greater than that of 4 and lying between the y. That's why it is the vertical ellipse represented by y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. The value of 3, a is 3 and b is 2. Then the same we have to find here the vertices, foci, length of latest rectum, major axis and minor axis. So you do it by yourself. In the example 11 it is given that vertices plus minus 13, 0. Now plus minus 13, 0, here the point is lying on the x-axis, means the major vertex is on the x-axis. It means that it is horizontal ellipse. Also focus is plus minus 50, it is also again on the x-axis, representing that the ellipse here is the horizontal ellipse. Now c is root a square minus b square. Placing the value of c as 5, a as 13, we get the value of p as 12. Equation of ellipsis x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. That is x square upon 169 plus y square upon 144 is equal to 1. In the example 1, it is given to us length of major axis, that is 2a, 20 is 10. Focus is 0 plus minus 5, that is 5. You can see from the focus 0 plus minus 5 is lying on the y-axis. It means that it is the vertical ellipse given by y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Now solving the value of b by placing in the formula, c is equal to root a square minus b square, c is 5, a is 10, so we get the b square as 75. Equation of ellipsis y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is 1. So placing value y square upon 10 square, x square upon 75 is equal to 1. In the example 13, we are given the ellipse with the major axis as the x-axis, means the horizontal ellipse, and the point 4, 3 and minus 4 lies on the ellipse. So we place the value of x and y as 4, 3 and then minus 1, 4. So placing it, it becomes first equation form 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square is 1. Second equation form is 1 upon a square plus 16 upon b square is 1. Solving it. Solving, we get the value of b square 247 upon 15. Placing in the value in the first equation, we get the value of a square as 7 upon 247 upon 7. So equation of ellipse becomes x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Placing the value, we get the 7x square plus 15y square is equal to 247. So that's all about the topic ellipse. Your ellipse topic is completed. So complete all the examples and the equation and the exercise. Hold for a minute. I am telling you the number, exercise number you have to do here. Wait for a minute. I am telling you. That is your exercise 11.3 on the page 255. So complete it. We begin with the next topic of this chapter, conic section. Till then, thank you.